Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can use QuickBooks and how you can use it to manage all of your business finance. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. And for those of you who don't know what QuickBooks is a small software that accountants use or companies use to manage their accounts and finances and all of the other transactions in just one place. So it's a pretty amazing software for small businesses. So let's get started. So over here, as you can see, I'm on their main website. And what we're going to do is we're just simply going to go ahead and quickly sign up. Now over here, they have their webinar going over here. So you can register for that if you are interested. But if you're just interested in the software, then you can just simply go ahead and buy now and save 50%, or you can start your free trial. So we're going to start a free trial by clicking on the top button over here and just simply click on it and we will begin. So over here, as you can see, we will have three plans. We have the simple, the essential, and the plus. So the simple one is going to be $8 per month. The essential is going to be $12.50, and plus is going to be 17. For the simple one, you're going to get track income and expenses, send custom invoices, connect your bank, track VAT, and this is for one user plus your accountant. Whereas for the essential, it's going to have all of that, but it's going to have insights and reports, manage employees, multi-currency, and for three users plus your accountant. And then for the plus version, you're going to get all of that, but you're also going to get recurring transaction, project tracking and location, budget management, and for five users plus your accountant. So this one was for monthly. If you want to switch to annually, then it's going to be $151 per year. For the simple one, the essential one is going to be $237 per year, and the plus is going to be $322 per year. So we're going to switch to the monthly one and continue with the free trial. And over here, you just simply have to enter in the details, meaning your username, your first name, your last name, your phone number, and password. And then you can just simply start your free trial. And here we go. Once you've signed up, this is how it's going to look like. So they instantly see your profiles, they're creating your account. So let's just wait a couple of seconds. And I think it is done. All right, so we are good to go. So now they're just basically going to ask you your question to set up your QuickBooks account. Basically, tell us a little bit about your business, legal business name, what type of business do you have, how long have you been in the business for, and which industry does it fall into. So we'll just say it's one media. And what type of business do you have? Sole trade, partnership, or whatever. We'll just say it's a company. And how long have you been? So let's just say 1 to 2 years in the industry. It falls into, I would say, let's see, it doesn't fall into any of these. Professional services, marketing, consulting. Yeah, it does fall into this. So we'll just choose that and click on next. And then what type of role do you have in your business? So you're the owner, bookkeeper, accountant, employee, or something else. So I'll say the owner. And do you have an accountant or bookkeeper right now? Yes, someone helps me. No, but I would like help. No, I do it all by myself. So you can choose whichever one you want. But for now, I'm going to choose no, I would like some help, and then click on next. And then what would you like to do in QuickBooks? So send and track invoices, organize your expenses, track for sales, track your retail sales, and pay your employees and all of that. So what I want to do is check this one, and we're going to check this one. Boom, there we go. And then we're going to simply click on all set. And here we go. So over here, as you can see, this is how it's going to look like. So these are shortcuts. So you have receive payments, add invoices, print checks, write checks, add customers, and all of that. Then you have the get things done over here. Then you have your business overview over here. You have your business overview. We have a cash flow. You have your reports. Then you have get paid and pay. You have your customers and leads, employees, bookkeeping, tax, and applications. So currently it's just loading up. So let's just wait for it to, get things done. And then we have this button over here, which is called New. So if you click on this button over here, you will be able to create invoices, receive payments, estimates, credit tones, delay credits, expenses, checks, bank deposits, and all of that. So you can get all of this over here if you click on this button. So as you can see, that's how it looks like. So this is a pretty simple, basic demo. I'm not going to go too deep into it. So let's go ahead and add a customer. So first, let's go ahead and add a customer, and then we'll proceed with the other features. So next, over here, we'll call it title. Over here, we'll say Mr. First name. First name is going to be John. Middle name, John Kennedy Marston. John F. Kennedy. No, I'm going to call it John Bones Jones because, why not? So then John Bones Jones over here. Davy John Bones. John Davy Jones. Yeah, I think that looks good. John Davy Jones. I don't know if that spelling is correct. Suffix is so then we add the suffix. I actually don't know what what suffix means. I should have gone to college. Next, we'll just add the company. We'll call it when or Zen Media over here. We can add the phone number, mobile, fax, other websites, emails over here. I'm going to choose the temp email right here. And is sub customer or billing address over here. We can add notes, tax information, payments, and billing languages. So as you can see, it's a pretty detailed form that we have to use to add a customer. I don't want to add all of these details, so I'm just going to keep it simple. So next over here, you're going to have your customer list. As you can see, this is Davy Jones. This is my customer, and this is their, total report. So then we have product and services over here. We can add product and services that we offer. So add your products and services to save time and creating your next invoice. So let's go ahead and add a product or service. So we'll just say it's a service. And over here, we add the service, the SKU number, the category, description, sales price, and income account. So let's just say we provide account services or something like that. The category is going to be accountant. All right, we're going to add that. Yep. And then description is going to be, so we provide some of the best accountant services available on the world. And then over here, sale price / rate. So we'll just say it's $50. That's not out of range. And then over here, we'll call it sales or retail or wholesale or whatever. Or we call it direct labor, COS, other ones as well. So let's see what we can add over here. Income account over here. We'll just say cash and cash equivalent, allow on debt. Okay, so as you can see right here, we have our accountant, we have the sales and all of that. This is the service we provide, right? This is the sales service, this is the accountant service, and that's $50 over here, the cost and all of that. So that's pretty much it. Then over here, we can add estimates, add invoices, we can receive payments, write checks, and print checks as well. Then over here, we can go ahead and move on. So when you slowly start using this, you're going to get a proper feel of this software. You can add customers, you can add invoices and all of that. You can send voices, you can add bookkeepings over here. You can add a bunch of different things. Like, this is not a complete in-depth tutorial. This is just like a standard tutorial, just an overview, nothing too crazy. And they also have these applications over here that you can integrate with so that you can take your bookkeeping game to the next level. So as you can see, we have Shopify, WooCommerce, and we have auto entry, eBay, and all of that. So you can go and do a lot of things with QuickBooks. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections down below, and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. So having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.